In this video, we will explore some tips and tricks to adjust the drawer fascia of your furniture unit. It can be difficult to get the look that you want, so this video will explore some methods and advice you can use to adjust everything correctly. Firstly, make sure you've read the relevant instructions and watched the relevant adjustment video to learn how to properly adjust your unit. For this video, we are using a Fairmont unit. The only necessary tool for adjusting fascia is a Phillips head screwdriver. Adjustments should be done when returning drawers to the unit after plumbing is completed. Tall drawers have two runners on opposite sides at the top and bottom, so the same visual change can be created in a number of different ways. This can make it difficult to identify the cause of an issue. For example, they can look like they've been moved side to side, when actually the bottom has been moved up and the top has been moved down. The best approach is to first remove all drawers from the unit, then work inwards, starting from any tall drawers. This allows you to align the first drawers to the outside of the unit, then use the previous drawers as a reference for the others. Reattach and adjust other drawers either from the outside in or top to bottom. All mechanisms will need slight adjustments and can affect each other. When adding another drawer to adjust, try to remove all extreme adjustments first, and then dial in specific adjustments afterwards. The increments of adjustment possible on these drawers can be very fine, so small movements might create bigger changes than expected. Adjust until you're happy with the fit, aiming to make gaps as similar as possible. It can take time to find the right fit for you, but stick with it and you'll be finished in no time.